Do you want to see me transform from this to this using just what's in my Ice Cream Beauty Box? Well then, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me right now, but if you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So today I am going to transform this using what's in my Ice Cream Beauty Box. So let's get it open, see what's inside, and get to work. The theme this month is Under the Sea, so we're going to see some ocean-y type items in here. Here is your sneak peek. From Earth Harbor, we have the Mermaid Milk. This is a Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. It's a great one. It has spirulina and matcha. This is a great brand. They are cruelty-free, vegan, woman-owned. This is how this looks. And this right here is a $42 value. The whole box is $25. From Beauty for Certain, or BFC. This is a liquid lipstick. It's got kind of a shine to it. The color is number 50. It doesn't have the color name written in here. This is a $22 value, and it says it goes on and stays on. From Mermaid Scale Cosmetics is this loose shimmer pigment. It complements the eyeshadow. It's their signature pigment. It offers very intense colors. Mermaid Scale Cosmetics also has a discount code, so if you get this box, you can go on their website and use their discount code. This is a $10 value. I'll pull the Chloe. I put it right where you can't see it. You can kind of rub that in to make it a little bit lighter. By Charmacy. This was in one of 4 colors. It's a multi-chrome liquid eyeliner. It's a $12 value. And I got, it's got a little paintbrush. Definitely some great tones in there. Then last is by Mermaid Scale Cosmetics times Ice Cream Beauty, the Mermaid Tales eyeshadow palette. This is a $35 value. There are multi-chromes in here, mattes. Look at those. Let's take a look at those multi-chromes. Very buttery. All right, let's get to work. I'm going to start off with this kind of pointy brush, and I'm going to use this color right here. Next, I'm going to take this sand color right here and just put that right there. All right, I'm going to be brave and I'm going to take this color, put it in here. Next, I'm going to go in with this one right here, which is one of those 2 duochromes. I'm going to go right in there. And I may just end up doing that, dabbing it on with my finger, but we'll see how it goes with the brush. Definitely more pigment on the side that I used my finger with. And because we're all about the duochromes, we're going to go in with this other duochrome. So the first one was called Seashell. This one is called Siren. Then I'm going to take this ocean color right here and just kind of pull that out. Next, we're going to take this multi-chrome eyeliner. I'm going to take a little bit of this and go under the eye. Take this Mermaid Scale loose powder and do up there. Now this is such a super blendable formula that you could use a little highlighter. Remember that a little is going to go a long way. I'm going to finish the look with my Honest mascara. This side here is the primer, this side is the mascara. I know I've used this before. This is a great brand. You can get this brand at Target and it does a great job. This is female founded. This is the Jessica Alba brand. It is cruelty free. There is the wand. Then I'm just going to show you a couple of other colors on this palette. So we have this beautiful purple here and this beautiful minty green, and look at that orange up there, and this mermaid one right there. Look at that color payout. Okay, last we're going to try this liquid lip. All right, I like that color. It smells fantastic. All right, so bringing it in for a little bit of a closer look. Now this is more bright than I would typically do for like leaving the house, but I don't have anywhere to go. So I thought, why not play with it and show you how pigmented it can be. Now, obviously, if you don't want it this pigmented and you use a brush instead of fingers, it will definitely be a lighter shade. So, you know, you could definitely wear this out. You could wear this to work. You could wear this to the grocery store. You could just tone it down by using a brush instead of fingers. But I wanted to show you the payout on that and the colors. And I'm loving, loving, loving that eyeliner too. It's a great color. And love the different tones on there. Well, that is all I have for now. So please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you like this kind of content. I am trying to do the makeup boxes as try-ons or get ready with me's, because a few of you have asked for that, have asked to kind of start doing that again. You know, I like it. It shows you the different products. So maybe you wanted to go out and try one of these brands. This Mermaid Scales is an indie company. So excited for all the indie brands. I believe, I don't know what it's going to be next month actually. Thought I saw a spoiler, but maybe I haven't yet. So I'm going to keep a zip on that because I'm not really sure. But super excited. All right, well, thank you so much, and hopefully I'll see you soon.